Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Chime Credit Builder. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually sign in onto your Chime account or create a new account. After you do that, you need to agree to the terms of services and you need to make sure that you have checked the Credit Builder terms of services. After you click on agree all, click on submit, and then you will dive onto your Chime account as see right here. So now what you need to know about Chime Credit Builder is that you need to actually deposit into it at least $200. So to start using it, after you deposit $200 at least, you need to click on the settings button on the top left, and then from the settings you need to click on try credit builder. After that, you need to transfer from your checking account to your credit builder account. After you do that, you can actually start using your credit builder without any problem. You can start doing purchases from it. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.